Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to give you a quick glimpse of my pickup, my work truck / daily driver, how I got it set up currently, some of the stuff I'm going to be doing to it here shortly, just to make it a little more efficient and better. Alright, let's get into this. So here we are, we've got my pickup. It's a 2015 Chevy 2500 HD, full 4-door, flip up center console, so it fits the whole family in it. Got American Racing rims, set up with a Boss plow. Got an 8'2" Boss plow, V plow. Got a Whelen roof mount, amber light up top. Got a Katahdin welding back rack or truck rack with a back rack on it, so I can haul ladders and stuff with it. I do have backup, or not backup lights, work lights mounted on it right now. I need to replace the relay so they don't work. Then in the back window, I've got some amber strobes, which I think I'm going to be moving them and attaching them to my toolbox. Toolboxes, I've got one right now. I'll be getting another one here in another month. It's got the 6-liter, pretty decent truck. I just put this Better Built top mount toolbox on last night. It's a 4-foot because I got a 6.5-foot bed, but I like to be able, I was gonna get a 6-footer, but I wouldn't be able to take my back rack off or have it on, so I just went with 4-footer. And I'll show you what's inside here in a second. So I decided to, I got all my M18 Milwaukee tools in there, my tool belt with my hammer, tape measure, whole 9 yards. I got a 2-foot level, torpedo level. I got my big crowbar in there, work gloves. In the bottom here, I got my pack out bit case, spare skill saw blades. I got 2 skill saws, 2 impacts, a full-size sawzall, a hacksaw, the 2 drills, a light, a charger. I think I got 8 batteries, a M12 nibbler, multi-tool. Sorry about that, guys. Got the multi-tool. That's pretty much it. My tool belt, pretty much everything I use daily. So, pretty excited about this. Then I got my truck lettered here last year with my logo, business, what I offer. Truck bed's a little bit of a mess, but there it is. There's my plow. Just wanted to give you guys a quick glimpse. I'd show you the inside. It's just a work truck package, but it's a mess in there right now. When I get it cleaned out and set up a little more, I'll give you an update video.